Greetings to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to WAP FOU TV. If this may be your first time on our platform, this is where we teach elementary mathematics. We demystify elementary mathematics, exemplify it for your understanding, and simplify it so that everybody can have access to this. Our intention is to encourage young learners to love studying mathematics, science, technology, and engineering. In our last lesson, we did addition of time, and we promised you to do subtraction of time, and that is what we are going to do today. Without waste of time, we're going to go straight into solving some examples for your understanding. If you have a question as such, subtract 2 days, 8 hours, 30 minutes, 50 seconds from 3 days, 5 hours, 22 minutes, 45 seconds. What you do for better operation, you rearrange it vertically, putting this first because we are subtracting this from this. We can put here days, we put here hours, here minutes, here seconds, and for days we have 3 days, hours 5, minutes 22, and seconds 45. While here we have 2 days, 8 hours, 30 minutes, and 50 seconds. Remember, we are subtracting. 45 seconds minus 50 seconds. This cannot go because this is a bigger number than this. For this reason, we are going to come to the minute and we take away 1 minute. And that 1 minute, when it comes to seconds, it becomes 60 seconds. So it will be 60 seconds plus 45 seconds, which will give us 105. From 105 seconds, we can now subtract 50 seconds. So it will be 105 minus 50 seconds, which will give us 55. Here you are left with 21 minutes. 21 minutes take away 30 minutes. It cannot. So we come to hours and take 1 hour, we'll be left with 4. When we bring 1 hour to minute, it becomes 60 minutes. So here, instead of 21, we are going to have 60 minutes that we've borrowed from hours plus 21 minutes. This will give us 81 minutes. 81 minutes take away 30 minutes. It's possible because we have a bigger number up. So this is going to give us 51 minutes. Here you are left with 4 hours. 4 hours take away 8 hours. It's practically challenging. So we're going to take 1 day from 3, you'll be left with 2 days. And if you bring 1 day to hours, it gives you 24 hours. So here we have 24 hours that we've borrowed, which is 1 day, plus 4 hours, which is already here. This will give us 28 hours. And 28 hours minus 8 hours will give us 20 hours. And here you are left with 2. 2 days take away 2 days is just a dash. And our final answer will be 20 hours, 51 minutes, 55 seconds. This is what you have if you subtract correctly. Let's go to the next example for your understanding. In our example 2, it reads, from 4 days, 20 hours, 52 minutes, 32 seconds. Take away 2 days, 23 hours, 39 minutes, and 46 seconds. So we are taking away this from this. We have days, we have hours, we have minutes, and we have seconds. For the first days, we have 4 days, 20 hours, 52 minutes, and 32 seconds. Below is 2 days, 23 hours, 39 minutes, and 46 seconds. We are subtracting here. If you look at this, the first thing that will get your attention is this number is bigger than this. If it is bigger, what we do is simply come to minutes and take away 1 minute, and that 1 minute becomes 60 seconds. So we take 1 from here, it becomes 51. 1 minute comes here, which becomes 60 seconds. So 60 seconds plus 32 seconds, which is already here, will give 92 seconds. And 92 seconds minus 46 seconds will give us 46 seconds. For minutes, we are left with 51 minutes. And 51 minutes take away 39 is going to give us 12. And we come to hours. 23 hours from 20 is challenging. So we come here and take away 1 day. We're left with 3 days. 1 day becomes 24 hours. So we come here, 24 hours plus the number of hours which is there already, 20, will give us 44 hours. And 44 hours take away 23 hours, will give us 21 hours. Here you are left with 3 days. 3 days minus 2 days is going to give us 1 day. So the final answer will be 1 day, 21 hours, 12 minutes, and 46 seconds. If you did not pick up from the previous example, then you must have followed up with this carefully to see where you borrow and what you are borrowing. And that is what we had for you today as far as subtraction of time is concerned. In our next lesson, we'll be doing more on speed, distance, and time. Until our next lesson, it is goodbye from us. Thank you. To get more information, you can contact the numbers on the screen, or you can visit our website